they just want to speak English confidently. But because of having some problems, they are not able to speak English confidently. So in today's video, I'm going to give you 7 tips to speak this language fluently, okay, as well as confidently. Because confidence, it really matters, okay.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Dehati ma'am. Hope you are doing great. And friends, if you are the one who really wants to know how to speak English fluently as well as confidently, then please make sure that you are going to watch this video till the very end, because in this video I am going to give you 7 important tips to speak English confidently as well as fluently. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So friends, all of us, we know that in order to speak English, okay, we have to do lots of practice, as well as there's not only need of practice, there are so many things that we need in order to speak English fluently and confidently. So therefore, I decided to make this video for my learners, for my subscribers who really wants to speak English fluently, because there's no doubt, okay, there are so many people, they are able to speak English fluently, but what about their confidence? Most of the people, they just want, okay, they just want to speak English confidently, but because of having some problems, they are not able to speak English confidently. So in today's video, I'm going to give you 7 tips to speak this language fluently, okay, as well as confidently, because confidence, it's really matters, okay. So first tip which I'm going to give you is, don't feel shy. Yes friends, never ever feel shy while speaking, while having conversation with anyone. Okay, just let me know, why are you feeling shy? We are human beings, okay. Just like I'm a woman, and if there is a man, so both of us, we have the same liberty. There's no need of discrimination. There shouldn't be any kind of criticize for anyone. We have to speak, we have to elaborate our thoughts, whatever we want to deliver in front of anyone, okay. So from today onwards, stop feeling shy and start giving your opinion in front of others, and just always have one thought in your mind, that you are the best. Don't worry about your face, that you are brown person, you are a black person, or you, there shouldn't be any kind of discrimination on the basis color, caste and creed, okay. So feel free to speak about your thoughts, to speak about your opinion. The next one is, don't speak too fast. Yes friends, most of the people, they face problem while speaking, because of they speak too fast. Why there's no need of speaking too fast? Because the purpose of delivering our thoughts, the purpose of speaking, okay, the purpose of a speech is to deliver our thoughts in front of others, okay. And we should be understanding, our thoughts should be understanding. So therefore, try to keep your pace of speaking slow, not too slow, okay, neither too slow, not too fast. It should be medium, so that the other person with whom you are having conversation, he can understand everything, whatever you are going to speak, okay. The next one is expose yourself to English as much as you can. Yes friend, from morning to till evening before going to bed, okay, try to expose yourself to English. There are so many things. You have books, you can do writing practice, okay, you can do speaking practice, you can do listening practice. So many practices you can do to expose yourself to English. And if this is not, you are not feeling that much enjoyable this process, then try to make sure that you are going to watch from today onwards everything on social media in English language. Because if you try to create that environment around yourself, then definitely no one can stop you from becoming a fluent and confident speaker, okay. So try to listen, okay, try to watch, try to speak only English language. Okay. And next tip which I am going to give you is embrace your mistakes. Yes, friends. First of all, we have to accept that we make mistakes. Most of the people, they regret and they feel shy because of they make mistakes. So there is no need to regret about this thing that I am making mistakes, because in this world, okay, whatever kind of skill we want to learn, there's no doubt we will be making mistakes, because this is a process of learning. Okay, so embrace your mistakes and just work on it. If you make mistakes, okay, then work on it, because you will be able to be a perfect listener and speaker only after working on your mistakes. Because most of the people, they make mistakes, however they don't work on their mistakes, and therefore they are not able to speak English confidently, because mistakes are always be the hurdle. Okay, so don't worry about mistakes and accept your mistakes. Accept whatever you are. If you are the learner and your level is 0, okay, then don't feel shy, just express yourself. And the next tip which I'm going to give you is don't focus too much on grammar. You know, friends, most of the people while speaking, they fumble a lot because they focus on grammar a lot. There is no doubt we are supposed to work on grammar. However, I'm saying that don't, in a conversation, whenever you are at that very time, when you are at that moment, when you are having conversation, then don't worry about grammar rules, because at that very time you are supposed to express yourself. You are supposed to express your opinion, whatever you want to deliver, whatever you want to say, whatever you want to speak, just speak it out loud. Don't worry about grammar rules. And then after that, okay, after that practice, then you can work on, okay, you have a day, okay, you have a long period of time, okay, you can work on your mistakes in that time. But while having conversation, don't worry about grammar, because most of the native speakers, even though they are native speakers, they make mistakes. Okay,
Because reading books is going to help you a lot. While reading,
and friends, the last tip which I am going to give you is start reading books. Yes, friends, no matter whether you are from village or city, in order to speak English confidently and fluently, you have to work on it. Okay, you have to work on your confidence, you have to work on your fluency. And believe me, friends, if you are the one who starts, okay, who has just started reading books, then of course, okay, surely you are going to achieve fluency as well as that confidence, because reading books out loud is going to help you speaking English confidently. Because while speaking, it's a kind of a practice. We work on a fluency. Okay, we are working on a fluency while reading books. So therefore we have to work on, okay, we have to read books in order to speak English fluently and confidently. And we have to read out loud. Okay, some people, they read book in their mind. No, we have to speak out loud, so that our mouth, our jaw muscles, it's a kind of a exercise for a jaw muscles, mouth, our tongue, because we are habitual to speak only our mother tongue. We are habitual to speak only our Hindi language, our national language. Okay, so now it's time to work on different language, okay, which is not our mother tongue. And in order to speak different language, there's no doubt we have to practice a lot. And while doing reading practice, you would be able to practice a lot, and therefore you would be able to achieve your goal. Okay, and last one, practice, practice, practice. This is an extra tip, because friends, if you are the one who are running far away from doing practice, then just forget about this dream that you are going to achieve. You are going to accomplish this goal of achieving that fluency or speaking English confidently. Because in order to speak English, we have to do practice a lot. It's been more than 1 year I have been practicing this language, and still I'm in the process of learning. Still I'm in the process of practicing a lot, because there's no doubt I don't get enough time throughout the day. However, I'm trying to practice a lot by getting only 5 or 10 minutes in a day, and it's enough for me. If you get only 5 minutes, then this is very good thing for you, because you are the one, you are using that time. Okay, because most of the people, they just make excuses that I don't have time, so how can I speak this language? I don't have time, so how I'm able to practice a lot? I'm not able to speak English because of just lack of practice. So it's totally up to you how you are going to use your time, because some people, when they get time, they sleep. Okay, they take rest. No, it's time to leave your comfortable zone. It's time to do something good for you. And of course, surely I'm saying that if you are इनका बांधे क्या है भैया? No friends, if you will start working on all these tips, then I'm sure that very soon you will be able to say that I am fluent English speaker. And one extra tip which I am going to give you is, in a conversation, always try to make that eye contact, because eye contact, it matters a lot. Your body postures, okay, it matters a lot. So work on it, okay. But first of all, we have to work on our knowledge. If you have that knowledge, then of course you will be able to speak this language fluently. So friends, if you like my video, then please share my videos, subscribe to my channel, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.